Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best protective cases for the all-new iPhone SE of 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. 5. Tech21 Studio Color Cases for iPhone SE. The Tech21 Studio Color Case has antimicrobial protection, which can reduce the germs that come in contact with it by up to 99.99%. Another thing we like about the Studio Color is that more than a third of it is made using an eco-friendly, plant-based material. The case is slim but incredibly tough. It can protect the iPhone from drops of up to 8 feet. It is available in black, gray, coral, and teal. 4. Apple Leather Case for iPhone SE. Unsurprisingly, Apple's own leather case for the iPhone SE is also one of the best worth your attention. The ultra-thin accessory offers excellent protection against scratches and drops, as well as superb tactility. We like that the case has metallic button covers with the same aluminum finish the iPhone SE. You can order the product in black, blue, saddle brown, and product red. 3. Spigen Neo Hybrid Case for iPhone SE. Like all Spigen products, the case delivers a blend of solid protection and good looks without sacrificing any of the smartphone's usability. There are many eye-catching colors to pick from. 2. Urban Armor Gear Monarch Case for iPhone SE. The Urban Armor Gear Monarch case is elegant and rugged in equal measure. The cool accessory is capable of exceeding military drop test standards, thanks to 5-layer build. Unlike most rugged cases, the UAG Monarch has amazing tactility, because the materials used in its construction include leather and alloy metal. You can order the case in black or red. 1. OtterBox Commuter Series Case for iPhone SE. The OtterBox Commuter Series case will make your iPhone SE almost completely impervious to damage. The rugged accessory features a duo of layers to absorb shock, built-in covers that prevent debris from entering the charging port and the buttons of the device, as well as raised edges for enhanced screen protection. Our favorite bit about the case is the cutout it has for the iconic Apple logo. There are several colors to pick from.